What's up, boys and girls? Today, I will show you how to download and install Sonic X Shadow Generations on your PC. So let's get started. First, open up your favorite browser and search for Steam. Once you find the Steam website, click on it to open. Now, you'll see the login option at the top right corner. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If you don't have an account yet, no worries. Just click on the option to create a new account. It's quick and easy. Once you've logged in, look for the option that says Install Steam at the top of the page. Click on it, and you'll be directed to download the Steam client. Follow the instructions to install Steam on your PC. After installation, open up Steam and log into your account. Now, you'll want to find Sonic X Shadow Generations. At the top of the Steam window, there's a search box. Type in the name of the game and hit enter. The game should appear in the search results. Click on it to open the games page. Once you're on the games page, scroll down until you see the Add to Cart option. Go ahead and click that button. After that, click on View My Cart to proceed. Now, click on the option that says Continue to Payment. You can pay using PayPal or any credit or debit card you have. Once the payment is complete, the game will be added to your Steam library. To access it, go to your library, find Sonic X Shadow Generations, and click on it. Then, simply hit the Install button, and voila! You're all set to enjoy your game. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking it. Thanks for watching, and take care.